Alright guys, this is the last intro and outro I will record today. I think it's the third or fourth, I'm not sure. We were buggering about in the workshop and yeah, I made a tool that turned out to be more of an arseache than it was supposed to be. But we made it anyway. Might get a bit of footage of it being used. I haven't got any at the moment at the point of recording this, so I can't tell you if it works or not because it's an irrigation hose repair tool. And I don't own any irrigation hose, but our neighbour does. And he wanted to repair his irrigation hoses, and then it pissed down with rain. Now literally everything, everywhere is sopping wet. And nobody wants to drag the irrigation out of the field when it's sopping wet. So maybe I will add some footage at the end of it being used. Maybe not. Without further ado, let's get at it and catch it at the end of the video. So, like I said, today, it's supposed to be a quick job, but I guarantee it won't be a quick job, because anything that's supposed to be a quick job just, ends up taking ages. Like we said, it's a special tool that we need to build for the irrigation system. Right, like we said, this is the irrigation muffer, I'm going to call it. It's basically the coupling that sits inside the irrigation pipe. There's a second part that sits over the pipe, and this part has to be driven in like a screw basically, and the only thing you've got to drive it in or to turn it in is these, you can see it, these two collars here, or collars, they're not even collars, they're like stops. So what people usually do is sort of like set it with their hands, and then they'll just get like a little pry bar and just drive it in, which is terrible. So my idea was to cut 2 discs and to use this here. Now this, I'll just grab you. This is material that you're supposed to throw away. This is transport material from either a class combine harvester or a class chopper. And it's good thick steel. And just so you know, it really is, when they deliver a machine, it says on here, throw in the bin. All sorts of stuff. This is also transport material. This is all transport material. Over there, those big yellow things. This is also transport material. Those big long bolts. I don't bring everything home, but I bring a lot home. If I brought everything home, I wouldn't actually have a workshop, I'd just have a scrap yard. And we'll cut it with a plasma cutter. One here, and one from this piece. Yeah. And we should have 2 nice discs. So, true to form, quick job. It's going to use the plasma cutter to get it set up. Then I realised compressor's knackered. I'm gonna have to use the gas axe. So we've now got two sort of disc-like objects. Like I said, a 5-minute job or an half-hour job's never going to be an half-hour job. And it happened that my handpiece from the gas axe seemed to be buggering about. And I thought it was the explosion protector or whatever you call these little bloody things in English. Changed that. Nope. I got my gas axe handpiece out of the car, and yeah, it worked. What's out of the car? Out of the service vehicle. We've got the two discs. Unfortunately, the lathe is not working, like I said. So we'll drill these out. I'll bolt them together, and I will use the angle grinder and get them just so that they fit pretty snug in here. Well, mate, what are you up to? Whoa. Dog thinks it's knocking off time. It's not. So we have, or I have, got these. Oh, they're right. Got these little buggers about as round as we're gonna get them, and as round as we need to get them. Cut out these holes, these grooves, about as equal as we are gonna get them. I really wish I had the lathe working, but I haven't. When I got the lathe working, I might just make these. Again. Now I've bolted them back together with, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, with a washer between. Now I'm going to weld the bloody things all the way around, and then we'll see what happens. So we got the welder set up. We're aiming for about 115 amps, 19 volts. I've got the Synergy setting plugged in, so it'll bugger about back and forth a bit, but that's what we're aiming for. So we got it welded up. It's not really beautifully welded, but it is what it is. It's a real welder thing. Right. Now I forgot, yeah, forgot to press the old record button, but I've got an old socket welded on, centered up about as good as I could get it. Looks alright. And on the other side, I welded an M16 bolt head, so you know you can use it with the 3/4 inch impact, or you know if you just got a normal ratchet with you, you know you can use a 27 mil socket. So thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, it was supposed to be a quick video. It's now dark outside. Have a look. It's night time in Germany. Yeah, I started off, it was daylight, and yeah, you know, we had a break in between, so yeah, usually it'd be about an hour's work. My sister was here, so we had coffee and a bit of cake and a bit of a powwow. We haven't seen each other for a while, and so it took a bit longer. The workshop looks like a shithole. I've got to get out with the dog. It's 8 o'clock. The dog, he's pissed off. Priest, walkies? Walkies? So now he's happy. It's 8 o'clock. Prissy, it's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock is walkie time. Walkie time. So I'm gonna get out with the dog because 8 o'clock is walkie time. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for being there. Any ideas, tips, tricks, requests, or even if you just wanna drop a comment to tell me I'm a dickhead, I don't care. That would be lovely. So, hopefully you guys managed to watch that debacle to the end. It turned out alright. When the lathe's working, we're going to get these jobs done a lot better. You know, we desperately need to get some parts ordered up for the lathe. I just ordered so many parts of the tractors at the moment. Just gotta, you know, keep focus. Maybe at some point I will earn money with YouTube, and like a $5 a month or something. Yeah, maybe. Who knows? But we need to get the lathe running so we can get these jobs done better, tidier, more efficient. It's definitely up there on my list. I've started planning videos, so every video that comes from now on should have a bit more structure. So the lathe repair video is in there, or is on the plan, and I'm hoping that we can get it done at some point and then start some real cool projects, you know. Then the only thing that we're looking for then is a fraser. What do you guys call a fraser? A milling machine, that's it. The only thing we really want and need in the workshop when the lathe's up and running is a milling machine. I'd quite like a decent sized one so that I can throw the, or not throw it out, but get rid of the drill machine, the stand drill, and replace it with a milling machine to mill and drill. Yeah. So hopefully you managed to wait or to see this through to the end. If you did, maybe give it a like and subscribe. I don't know. Send a pigeon with a letter that says, well done. Or just send us an email, leave a comment, do whatever you want. I don't care. I do care, really. Give us a shout out if there's something you want to see, something you want to build, something you want to do. And until the next time, catch you later, guys. Thanks for watching.